Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now today we're going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I know a lot of my friends have been waiting for it as well, and that is the exhaust. So we're going to be doing a full Decat and the catback as well. I'm going to try to see if I can do it all today. If not, it's just going to be a 2-day thing. I've never done any exhaust before, so this is a first for me, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, excuse the quarantine look. I'm going to get all the parts outside and I'll meet you outside. Okay, the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to try get the car on the jacks first and take out the catback. Once I do that, then I'll take out the exhaust from the boxes and then we'll go from there. Right guys, let's start by taking this rear valance off. Let's take that off. You've got screws here, there, and one there. So I'll quickly take that off and then we'll jack the car up once that's off. Right guys, diffuser is off. The old one. Yeah, so it's just 7 bolts, torque bolts, and then once you get those out, you just got to pull it off because it's got all these clips. So yeah, that's that. And now we can start on this. Right guys, so basically I couldn't do the exhaust. Reason being, as I said at the start of the video, it's my first time doing exhaust and I really underestimated the job. So one of the exhaust hanger bolts were really rusted, and the last thing I wanted to do was round it and make my life a million times worse. Also another thing, one of the exhaust hangers, I don't know what it's made of, but it was impossible to get off. So yeah, I just couldn't do it, so I left it and I dropped my car off to a good friend of mine's garage and he'd done the work for me. So only thing left now is the Maxton design diffuser. So I got unlucky with that as well because my GoPro died while I was trying to film the installation, but I got pictures, so it's still not on yet. But yeah, I'll talk to you about that after. For now, I'm gonna reveal the exhaust. I hope you guys like it, and then we'll go on to the diffuser.
Sound like your car either. My goodness, bro. Bump so calmly, bro.
Yeah, I angled it right.
Got the bearings on point. It's not gonna. This ain't for work anymore.
New exhaust. Finally on 4-inch tips. They look fat. Look at that. Whew. How did it sound?
Monstrous. It's not my heart. You know? When you went past, I was like, that was monstrous.
Sounds mental. Alright guys, so yeah, that's the exhaust. The only thing missing now is the diffuser. And speaking of diffuser, early morning deliveries came in and look. Maxton design, finally. Guys, I waited 4 weeks for this diffuser, man. Took so long. But yeah. Here it is. Maxton design diffuser. Look at those fins. And yeah, I opted for the carbon look diffuser. I mean, everyone goes for gloss black, so I thought let me try this, see how it is. It looks pretty dope in my opinion. So yeah, this is the final piece of the exhaust and let's get this on. So I'm gonna try it and glue it on with this bad boy, Tiger Seal. So the plan of attack is we're gonna have to glue this onto the original diffuser, but before I can do that I need to cut out these holes on my original diffuser so that it can fit. So yeah, I'm gonna start on that guys, let's get on it. Alright guys, so this is how I'm gonna do it. I put the diffuser on top of the old one and got a Sharpie pen and just drew around these holes. So I'm gonna cut this and then glue it onto there. So yeah, the original one's gonna go back in because it's got the clips, and then I'm just gonna glue this on over it. That's how everyone says they do it, so I'm gonna do it like that. So yeah guys, as I was saying, you just need to cut the holes, use a machine, it will help a lot, and then yeah, just glue it on with Tiger Seal 3M, and then once you're done that, just clamp it down.
Relax man, relax, let's go back, you probably not stealing it.
Look at this guy stealing it. Alright guys, so we've cleaned this now, and now you can properly see the diffuser. So I don't know if it's clear enough, but look at that. Look how clean that looks. You can probably see like the carbon effect now, and the tips are fat. So that is the exhaust fully complete now. So yeah guys, we're gonna wrap it up there. Thanks for watching, and until the next vlog, peace.